Okay, y'all, so I'm out getting some lunch. Did not bring a thing today. Lord, my hair is on my nerves. It's time to really wash it. Anyways, I'm here getting some lunch from Sticks. From Sticks, I normally get the baklava that's made locally, and it comes with 2 pieces. Sometimes it is dry, sometimes it's actually really moist. I also go ahead and get the 2-stick platter with rice and onion rings. So this roughly is about $12, and it comes with pita bread as well as a lettuce and tomato salad. And the sticks are served over rice along with your side, which was my choice of onion rings. All right, so I just got home not too long ago, but I'm heading out to get Crumbl Cookie for the week. So here's some of the flavors that they have going on for the week. And then I also am going to get me a seafood boil for dinner while I'm out and treat the kids to McDonald's. Let's go. Okay, I'm just not sure like where all this traffic is coming from. It's taken me now like 15 minutes to even like get down the hill. The flavors for Crumbl Cookie this week was mint, chocolate chip, as well as the brownie and the maple bacon. Of course, they still had their classic pink sugar that was chilled, and this week they had a featured donut one, and of course the regular chocolate chip one that they have on the normal. It's 9:10. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna get ready to walk the dog so I can get in the shower. And KO. Go night-night. Alright. Shibuya. Yeah. Shibuya roll call. It is Wednesday. Yeah, and I'm ready for Friday. Yeah, and it got to hurry up. Yeah. I'm so ready for Friday. For the weekend to relax. So this morning, I feel like my nose keeps running, but also I keep feeling, I don't know, I just sound different this morning. So I'm going to get me something hot from Starbucks really quickly. And yeah, I don't know what I want though. Yeah, y'all gonna see me at this Starbucks all the time. Okay, so I decided to order 2 cheese danishes and then the cotton candy drink and then just white chocolate mocha. Thank you. Okay, so I got my cream cheese danish. I don't know why I say cream cheese danish. But anyways, yeah. Working by myself today, so come on into the life of a teacher. Okay, so our students will be creating or working on spring color by the number pattern worksheets for morning work, and I'll show you what it looks like.
What are you doing?
So I've been asked to sub in a 4th grade classroom, so you guys will get to see what that plays out to be like, and what I have to do.
Wait, I have to think about this one.
All the steps using one step. Most of the series all the steps using one step. Most of the series
And this is what life looks like at the end of the day when you don't have to worry about anything else. So it's almost time to clock out at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna get ready to get some things ready for next week for my kiddos and get some things prepped for report cards. Okay, just got home from work. Got 2 packages already here from Walmart, so I'm gonna open them up and show you guys just what I ordered because they were on sale. So they had sleepwear on sale for about like $7. So I ended up getting I ended up picking up this dress, and then this night dress. It's in a size 7-8. They also had this 2-piece sleep set for like, you know, $7 as well. So both of them came together. So here are the pants that she could, you know, wear, and this is in a size 7-8 as well. And so it'll be good for next year too when it's cold. And then in the box, so in the box I did get Cam some pajamas as well. So it's the Sonic with the shorts, and these, like I said, this was $7 as well. Got an Easter basket, so this changes color. I'm not sure how it changes color. Oh, in the sun. So the original color reappears in the sun. So there's a lot of sun out, but not right now. And also this was $5, so I decided to get this for Cam. It's just a Sonic the Hedgehog toothbrush. It comes with like the antibacterial cover on the front. And last but not least in the box, we just got some new cereal. So this is the birthday cake crunch, and we're gonna do these as a review on my channel. So that'll probably be in my weekend vlog coming up soon. So be looking out for that.